If you were surprised by Trump's reelection, you're not alone. Many are now trying to understand why the election didn't go the way most polls predicted. Turns out, high voter turnout in key battleground states and Trump's focus on certain demographics played a crucial role, not to mention some missteps on the part of Kamala Harris. As she campaigned for the presidential seat, her messaging struggled to resonate with swing voters, leaving room for Trump to swoop in and capitalize on their discontent. While Harris aimed to win hearts across the board, her intended messages fell flat for a significant number of swing voters. Concurrently, Trump's strategic emphasis on the economy and rural America connected with these voters, widening the gap further. The real question is, could a different approach from Harris have swayed these voters? Or was Trump's reelection an inevitable outcome in these unprecedented times? What do you think decided this peculiar election? Let's get the conversation started. Join the debate in the comments section below.